Hello guys.
Hi, Rays.
Hello. I intended to grow vegetable yesterday, but I doubt whether my land was good for planting or not, right? Do you know the characteristic of good soil for plants?
Oh, that look like fun. I read yesterday that healthy soil has sufficient nutrition, easy to cultivate, and has good drainage.
That's really true. And last but not least, healthy soil doesn't contain many chemicals.
Oh, that's what it looks like. I recently heard that there are some fertilizer that can damage soil fertility. How did it happen? Every fertilizer aims to fertilize the soil, right?
That is right, Rays. That every fertilizer has a purpose to fertilize the soil. But if you use too much inorganic fertilizer, it's not good because basically inorganic fertilizer are chemicals with less concentration. So too much can damage biological and physiological as well as the chemical properties of the soil.
Wait a minute. What is the difference between organic and inorganic fertilizer?
The difference between organic fertilizer and inorganic fertilizer lies in their compound content. Most organic fertilizer come from nature, which are processed naturally or by engineering. Some examples are compost, manure, and guano fertilizer. While inorganic fertilizer are mostly artificial fertilizer as well as natural fertilizer made from chemicals. Some examples are NPK fertilizer, organic fertilizer, TSP fertilizer, and ZA fertilizer.
Oh, well, yesterday I also read about the side effects of the soil receiving too much inorganic fertilizer. The negative impact can cause the physical soil to become barren, dry, and have poor soil drainage. Then it can make the soil pH tend to be acidic, making it difficult for plants to grow.
Well, that is correct, Race, but I want to ask, if the soil that is given inorganic fertilizer is bad, does that mean we have to use only organic fertilizer or don't use fertilizer at all and only use healthy soil?
Actually, the bad soil is not because of the use of inorganic fertilizer, but because of the use of too many doses. If it's still in a reasonable dose, it's still safe.
Well, guys, we've been discussing about soil fertility. Then how do we restore damaged and infertile soil?
What we can do to restore soil fertility is by loosening the soil and cultivating the soil, then giving the soil organic fertilizer or manure, giving dolomite lime to restore soil pH, and finally taking turns in planting.
Well, the time has flown by quickly. I think it's time for my next class. Thank you so very much for your sharing information about soil fertility, guys. Okay,
Okay, you're
bye.
welcome.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.